For more than 31 years, the Lexus LS has been the pinnacle of luxury within the brand. Engineers have focused on elevating the sedan's levels of comfort, quietness, and overall refinement to help balance a range of new dynamic improvements. From a visual perspective, the updated Lexus LS now features a revised front bumper design with squared-off radiator grilles, which improves the visual stance of the vehicle. The 3 projector headlights have also been visually enhanced and now incorporate the iconic L-shaped daytime running light element. This flagship model also features Blade Scan AHS, the brand's new developed adaptive high beam system. Similarly, the rear lights have also been altered to give a sense of vertical thickness, increasing the harmony with the front and enhancing the vehicle's class. For those wanting an LS with a visual focus on performance, then the F Sport model will definitely satisfy that desire. The F Sports boasts exclusive 20-inch cast wheels. The wheels have a design that inherits the LC's wheel DNA and invokes driving performance. F Sport exclusive black coating has been applied to the wheels, as well as black center ornamentation has been adopted. There are also 2 new colors that are exclusive to the LS500 F Sport, Poseidon Blue and Nova White, which you see here. The F Sport badge is another key differentiator, which is standard in all Lexus F Sport models, as you can see on the side. When it comes to the interior of the Lexus LS, one can expect to find superior craftsmanship throughout the cabin. What you see here is the executive dark wood and black ornamentation. This is also available in crimson and black for the LS500 Luxury and black, as well as new black and white and new flare red for the F Sports grade. Further ergonomic improvements have been made by the inclusion of a call-up switch, which has been added for accessing the frequently used seat heater control options to be displayed instantly on the infotainment screen. The LS also benefits from updated seat coverings, which feature deeper stitch points, and underlying seat pads, which now feature low-resilience urethane, enhanced vibration absorption, and soft seating, which contribute to a heightened sense of comfort. The outstanding 23-speaker Mark Levinson audio system is without compromise and completes the overall cabin experience offered by the Lexus LS. In order to create an effortless driving experience, the LS500 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6, offering 310 kilowatts and 600 Newton-meters of torque. New liquid-filled engine mounts have also been added, which reduce both noise and vibration, resulting in a smoother ride. On-road performance has also been improved, with the introduction of the newly developed adaptive variable suspension solenoid, which reduces damping force, while the rigidity of the stabilizer bars provide optimized performance. Lexus South Africa will also be introducing a hybrid version of its flagship model, the LS500H. Lexus is not only committed to its hybrid strategy, which involves seeing the introduction of a hybrid offering throughout each of its model ranges in the years to come, but is firmly on the path to lowering CO2 emissions and carbon neutrality. The Lexus range is more than just a luxury vehicle. It is a meticulously handcrafted machine that does not compromise on comfort, refinement, or driver engagement. The LS is without a doubt the embodiment of omotenashi, the Japanese spirit of hospitality that anticipates and fulfills people's needs.